Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you viewers? Hope you will be fine. As may Allah bless you, always keep smile, live happily. In this video I am sharing your amazing different wall hanging plants decorations ideas. Are very gorgeous. And different styles are sharing in this my ideas, friends. Hope you will like and enjoy with these ideas. I can share with you different decorations ideas for planted unique styles and different collections. I can share it with you as different ideas of bestly all my unique new designs, new ideas. As beautiful ideas of best collections, different recycles crafts ideas. So hope you will like these updates. Get unique styles and different. Watch it starting to end, and I can share it you beautiful styles and different crafts ideas. So hope you will like and these style ideas. So watch is all the unique collections.